Hello everyone, welcome to the another video. Many people ask this question that is it too late to learn English? So my simple answer is no. Because age is just a number, okay? It can't stop you from learning. One thing that stops us from learning is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of like people laughing at us and so on. So you know what, children always learn faster because they don't afraid of make mistakes, they don't think too much. But as we are adults, we think too much about making mistakes. Okay, we have that fear of getting stuck and all these things. So no matter if you are 30 or 40, you can still learn English, okay? And you can start slowly, okay? You can start slowly, you can practice daily and be patient, okay? So let me clear this thing that age is just a number, okay? Age is just a number. Learning has no age limit. I am also 26 and a half right now, and I have decided to learn this language, and I'm still learning and I'm improving too. So you can do the same thing, that start recording yourself as I am doing. I am practicing daily English speaking by making videos for you. So you can also start recording yourself, speak in front of a camera, and you can analyze your English. You can find where you are lacking, where you are making mistakes, and you can improve it, okay? So this is actually my speaking practice, and I am here with some motivation for you, that you are like, what can I say, that you can learn English, okay? No matter, sometimes I also feel hesitate, I also get stuck, my mind always goes blank when I have to speak, what to speak, even if there is no one to judge me. But I am making videos for you, so definitely you are watching me. So this is my speaking practice, I'm telling you. So you can subscribe to my channel, show some support, okay? It will motivate me for making or to make more videos on English learning. And very soon I will start a series, and okay, I have thought in my mind that I will start something, but I want to build a community first, that I want to what can I say, I want to gather some people like you, like as my YouTube family, so that I can provide you the best content, okay? Because if nobody will watch my video, then I will feel demotivated. So I want you to subscribe and like to my channel, so that I will make videos for you, because I want to create more and more videos on it, okay? Go to subscribe to my channel, and meet you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.